Okay, so you guys have been saying that I should talk more about the extinct bird. Well, I was checking my community, and you guys chose that I should. Some of you guys said I should talk more about the last extinct birds because I didn't see much in the trailer. So this is about 4 extinct birds who had to survive from this antagonist by the name of Dark Watcher, and so it begins with a Sapiornis named Red. Red lives in village who gets a message from an eagle by the name of Sunshine, and then gets outcasted for no reason and all that stuff. And then Dark Watcher and kidnaps him for no dang reason. And then starts doing something to him and all that stuff, and he wakes up on a table. And then three extinct birds escape the lab. Well, escape their containers or whatever, DNA containers or whatever, and and then they and then Red escapes with them, and then Red starts making berry soup. And then Dark Watcher and his servant by the name of Dark Talon, I think that's his name, bring back one of the birds that went extinct in the 1900s, kinda, or 1980s, and it was an OU, or a Kari, whatever you pronounce it, which is what I just saw in the video, because that's how people usually pronounce it, but I call it an OU, so why not? And the other antagonist is named Blood, who kidnaps them and puts them in one of the prisons in Volcano. And then a great auk helps them out, and then there's like this other one called Confuciusornis, which it kind of sounds like confusion. It's a little different. So yeah. I know I was gonna spread the spoiler to what was gonna happen in the end, but I'm gonna spoil some. First of all, Blood kidnaps the Great Auk, kidnaps Colorful and Water Dasher, the Confuciusornis, or whatever the hell you pronounce it as. And then Rainbow ends Blood inside of a volcano. So why not? And then they see that, and then they invade the the fossil lab, and then Dark Watcher has like a Deinonychus sickle claw, and he ejects it onto him because he puts something that would make him turn into a Deinonychus. And then turns into one and tries to kill Red and some of the antagonists that were teaming up with Blood, which Red and the others decide have talked with all of the some of the antagonists that all of the antagonists that joined Blood's company, and that's just it, kind of. That's what happens. And then Dark Watcher is like at the place, and then starts to kill them. Luckily, hopefully the Extinct Birds can win against a giant Deinonychus, a crow that turned into a Deinonychus days ago. So, would the army of Extinct Birds win against Dark Watcher, or will Dark Watcher defeat them and then won't have an army and just kill all the birds himself?